Brian back here with a look at Kaspa. You can see here this what we put on here the other day is holding up. The closing candles. Elliott wave theory is based on closing candles, not on wicks. Okay, so you can see here this has held above these closing candles. This held up. We said the other day this can't go below that 11.2. Well, it's held up. We're getting a break out of this resistance line. Right now as I'm doing this video. We'll take a look at some price targets here in a second. You can see on the right hand side here everything is a lot of stuff popping off today. It's about time. Bitcoin's up 3,700 bucks. We're going to take a quick look at that here. Let's open this up so when we come back to this chart we're going to take a look and see what's going on here. Over on Bitcoin, still running up to that area that I've talked about for, geez, it feels like weeks now. Maybe it has been a few weeks since we've been down in this zone. 67,000 bucks. All right, we need to take that out. You put a fib on here, you go down through this whole move. You can see that 67 is right on that 618 Fibonacci. 67,200, give or take 100 bucks here. Right on there. All right, we got the daily heading up for Bitcoin. We got the weekly just turned up. Okay, you can see down here in the bottom we're bullish. We got the 3-day turning up, and we got the 5-day heading up here. All right, and overall we're looking for a move up towards 84. All right, as long as we get through that that big mark there, I think we're gonna bust right through that thing, quite honest with you. I think it's enough pain has happened maybe here to get the next move up. All right, that'll be a fifth wave out of this first move here, and I would expect an ABC correction after that, but we'll see what happens. To clear through that 702, it's going to end up having to go up through 68.7. You can see as the 702 Fibonacci there, but first things first, that's 67.2, this green line. I guess I could move it up just a hair here, huh? I got it locked. Let's move it up just a bit, call it 67.2. All right, and let's make that, slim that down a little bit there. We'll see what happens, but Bitcoin's looking good. We've got all the high time frames heading to the upside. Over on the crypto bubbles here, you can see, yeah, pretty nice day out there. As far as Kaspa goes, ranked 41st. 24-hour volume is still pretty low, 32.4 million. Market cap 2.87 billion, and for the day we're up 6.5%. Last hour 1.4%, making a bust out of that resistance line here. I'm going to show you in a second. Over here on CoinGlass, 24-hour liquidations, 116.9 million. That's down 17.25%. Open interest up 6.5%. $58.7 billion, and the volume, total volume for the crypto market, 133.9 billion over the last 24 hours. That's up 7.19%. Over here on the addresses, you can see here the last 24 hours we've added 16 dolphins, 6 sharks. The sharks are 1 million to 10 million, 6 in the last 24 hours. We've added 3 dolphins in the last hour. That's 100,000 to 1 million. I think a lot of people are seeing this possible breakout happening here. So good to see a lot of green on here. No red at all. The last well, when you take it out to 30 days, really, last 1 hour, 24 hours, 7 days, and 30 days, all green. So maybe this bottom is in. We're going to take a look here and see if we can figure this out. All right, if this is a fifth wave up, I would expect this thing, let's take a look at a target. First off, let's get this off here. All right, a target for a fifth wave would be up around 14.7. Let's mark this off here. If this is a fifth wave coming in, all right, which we're going to find out, that's for sure. Watch that 13.3, all right? If we get this breakout here, that 13.3, that's going to be a major resistance area here, okay? You can see that's where this top was, 13.3. We take that out, we're heading to the 14.7. That's the next stop up here. All right, we're approaching that 618 fib at 12.4. That's going to be another major area, of course. You guys know if you watch this channel, 618, 702 are major Fibonacci levels, which we tend to get, price reacts to those levels. So 12.4 and 12.6, a clear of that, a clear 13.3 here. We're heading up to 14.7. We got the 4-hour RSI on heading up. All the big ones. The 8-hour just turned up. That looks great. And you can see we're just breaking out of this resistance here. All right, this line is dead on. Just breaking out of there. We got the 12-hour. Just turned to the upside of 13 and a 5. Our daily is still near that top. Look at it cranking right back over. Let's see that spin on it happening here. And of course the 3-day and the 5-day. The 3 days bullish, 46 and a 40, and the 5-day is just turning up here. Okay, and the weekly, yeah, look at this, all bullish on all the high time frames. All right, been calling for this for a few days now, but waiting for this break. So keep an eye on Kaspa, man. This thing is looking very, very good. We got the total market cap over here. And if I could ask you to please hit the like and subscribe, guys. And I want to throw a thank you out to the members. I appreciate it so very, very much, guys. You have no idea. Over 200 members in the members group. If you're interested in that, yeah, it's only $15. It's a level 3 membership. Get you 22 videos, over 9 hours of videos to watch to help you start learning how to chart like this. Now you can see here on the total crypto market cap, we're approaching a break of this resistance here. All right, getting right up towards it. That 12 hours heading straight up. Where's the weekly? Yeah, that's beautiful. The weekly is just turned up. And of course, where's the 3-day and the 5-day? This is big, the crypto total market cap, because the 3-day just turned up, and your 5-day is also just turned up. Okay, this could be a 5th wave coming in here. You got all kinds of. If you go on a weekly, that's where. Let's take it to a monthly. That's where you can see a wave count a lot easier. All right, you can see a 1, 2, 3, 4. And possibly a 5th wave coming in here. This is the total market cap of all of crypto, including Bitcoin. All right, 1, 2, 3. Your 4th wave back, and this 5th wave would be looking for a target for a 5th wave. Oh boy, just taking out the previous all-time high up here. Right up here at about $3.16 trillion. All right, and we got all the major time frames. The monthly is turning down. Now the total too, without Bitcoin. Yeah, look at this thing. It is right. Oh boy, this. Let's see where this is going to end up hitting. Yeah, where it should hit. Okay, just below. Looks like about $1.5 trillion. All right, we should be coming in somewhere around there. And we're out. This is on a monthly. The daily RSI's turned up. The weekly. Where's the 3-day and the 5-day? The 3-day just turned up. Yeah, this is looking good, guys. The market is looking good. The 5-day right on the bottom, bullish, wedging up here. Any takeout of this. What is about 1.26 trillion. You can pretty much mark 1.492 as the next stop here. And just like the other one here, you can see these, if you come out in a monthly, you can see these waves a lot easier. All right, and this would all just be our first move up. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, move here, and that's big. The total. This is the total market cap excluding Bitcoins. This is just the altcoins, right? That would be a move up. Wow. Be looking at a pretty good run here. 47% for all the altcoins. All right, and Bitcoin dominance. We definitely want to take a look at that. As always, that thing. I believe it is green today. Bitcoin dominance. Yes, 55, almost 56%. You can see it moving up. I got an alarm sent here for that 60%. That's a 618 Fibonacci. That's what we're shooting for here. All right, that's where I think our alt season's going to come, when we get up to the 60%, 60.5% roughly. I think that's where we're going to have a major rollover, down to roughly 25. Believe it or not, 25.5% Bitcoin dominance. It sounds crazy now. We'll see what happens. It gets crazy out there. Look at this fall over here. This one came down to 35. All right, the one in 2021 ended up coming down to 39, and we're looking for 25 for this next one. I think it's going to end up hitting somewhere in the fall here, September, October, if it starts coming up, if it keeps coming up this at the same path. This is a monthly chart. All right, so we'll see what happens here. But crypto market looking great, guys. Thank you so much. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll be back to you very soon. Have a great day, everybody.